Good morning, student. Now today we will study understanding elementary shapes, that is chapter 11 in math. Exercise 11.1 is reduced from your syllabus, that is it is eliminated of. Now we will study from exercise 11.2. Okay. So in exercise 11.2 first we have to study about clock. Okay. So clock we all know that. Okay. So I am giving few introduction about clock, that what the bigger handle is the minute hand, okay, and the smaller handle is the hour hand. Okay, the bigger needle is the minute hand, the smaller needle is the hour hand. जो बड़ी सुई होती है उसे हम लोग मिनट हैंड बोलते हैं घड़ी में, और जो छोटी वाली होती है वो आर हैंड, वो घंटा बताती है और ये मिनट बताती है, जैसे कि 5:15। सो ये 5 बजे बताएगी और ये 15 मिनट बताएगी बड़ी वाली सुई। ओके, मिनट बताएगी बड़ी वाली और छोटी वाली क्या बताएगी, घंटा बताएगी। ओके, सो दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द क्लॉक। ओके, नाउ सी इफ द क्लॉक कंप्लीट्स वन रोटेशन, then that means what it had done, it has completed one complete rotation is equals to 360 degree. Okay, we all know that the angle of a circle is 360 degree. A complete angle is a 360 degree. So clock is a circle only, then clock is considered as a circle. It is a circle. So what happens, the complete rotation of a clock gives 360 degree angle. Okay, so now see here what happens if that hour hand complete one rotation. Okay, suppose this is the one rotation. From here it is started and complete one rotation, then what we will say, that it completes one complete rotation. Okay, one complete rotation is done. Okay, like this. If it completes half, then what we will say, half revolution, half rotation. Okay, if it completes more than half, then 3/4 rotation. Okay, like this only we will say the rotations. And about right angle, we all know that right angle is 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. Okay, so like this. And one more thing, that in clock what happens, each and every time limit is in the difference of 5 minutes. Okay, in the difference of 5 minutes. Okay, from 1 to 2 we will have how much time, 5 minutes. Okay, from 5 minutes. From 3 to 4 how much, 5 minutes. So each and every block is of 5 minutes. Each and every block is of 5 minutes. Okay, from 12 to 5, if we will say 12 to 5, so total how many minutes from 12 to 5? From 12 to 1, 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, so total how many minutes? 25 minutes we are talking. Okay, so each and every block is of how much minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes each and every block. So like that only we will find the angle of the clock and rotation and revolution. Okay, now see here in example it is given, example 1, it is given, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it moves from 12 to 6? Okay, 12 to 6. So again I am reading the question. Okay, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand, मतलब hour hand कितना रिवोल्यूशन ले रही है, कितना घूम रही है, hour hand कितना घूम रही है of a clock turn through when it is moves from, कितना घूम रही है जब घड़ी में 12 से 6 के बीच में कितना रोटेशन हुआ। ठीक है, देखो घड़ी बना लें, ये 12 बज रहे हैं, दिस इज 6, दिस इज 3, 1, 2, 4, then 5 and then 6. Okay, so from 12 to 6 we have to find how much. So see here, from 12 to 6 how many minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, again 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, so we will add 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 5, 30. From 12 to 6, how much? How many minutes we will have? 30 minutes. How many minutes we will have? 30 minutes. Okay, so and what happened? We know that in 30 minutes means what? Half of the circle of the 30 minutes means what? In 1 hour, we will have 60 minutes. In 1 hour we will have 60 minutes. So that means what? It is half of the hour. Okay, so it is half of the hour. 30 minutes is half of the hour. आधी घंटे की बात कर रहा है ना. एक घंटे में 60 मिनट होती है, तो आधे घंटे में कितना हो जाएगा? 30 मिनट. आधा घंटा माने क्या है कि अगर हम देखें तो एक सुई अगर 12 पे है, दूसरी सुई क्या है? 6 पे है. ठीक है, तो आधा रिवोल्यूशन हो गया. ये देखो, ये आधा रिवोल्यूशन. तो रिवोल्यूशन, हाउ मेनी रिवोल्यूशन? If you will talk about revolution, how many revolution? It is half revolution. Okay, half revolution. Okay, and how many right angle? Right angle. There are 2 right angles. Okay, see how 2 right angles. Right angle is what? Right angle means this is the right angle. This is the right angle. This is the right angle. 90 degree is considered to be a right angle. So 90 degree is considered to be right angle. So see here, from 12 to 6 there are 2 right angles. See here, one when the from 12 to 3 there is 1 right angle. Okay, so this is the first right angle. Okay, and second right angle is what? When the situation is like this, from 3 to 6. So this is the second right angle and this is the first right angle. Okay, so there are 2 right angles. Okay, 2 right angle from 12 to 6 and revolution is half revolution. Okay, so like this only you have to do the questions of clock. Okay, you have to do the questions on based on clock. If in question it is asked about to find the angle, suppose see question number question number 10. Question number 10 of your exercise 11.2, question number 10. Okay, so the clock is suppose like this: 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so one needle is on 10 and another needle is on 12. We have to find this much of the angle. That means हमें क्या पता करना है कि जब घड़ी में 10 बज रहा हो तो क्या एंगल रहा होगा, जो आर एंड जो कि क्या है, आर निडल जो 10 पे है और मिनट निडल जो कि 12 पे है, उसके बीच में क्या एंगल रहा होगा, हमें एंगल पता करना है. तो हम जानते हैं, we know that from 10 to 11 we will have 5 minutes and from 11 to 12 we will have another 5 minutes. So from 10 to 12 how many minutes we will have? The difference is of 5 plus 5, that is 10 minutes. Okay, 10 से 12 बजे के बीच में क्या है, 5-5 मिनट के हर एक ब्लॉक होते हैं, मैंने बताया था. 10 से 12 के बीच में कितना हो जाएगा? 10 minutes. Okay, and in 1 hour how many minutes we will have? 60 minutes. हम पता क्या करना है कि क्या एंगल है, ये कितने का एंगल बन रहा है, एंगल कितना है. सो टू फाइंड एंगल व्हाट वी विल डू, 10 मिनट्स अपॉन टोटल 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट, तो 60 नीचे चला जाएगा. और एक कंप्लीट डिग्री कितने की होती है सर्किल में? 360 डिग्री की. एक कंप्लीट डिग्री कितनी की होती है 360 डिग्री, तो इंटू 360 वी विल गेट द आंसर. ओके 6 1 जा 6, 6 6 जा 36, 60 1 into 60 that means 60 डिग्री का एंगल है. ओके so from 10 to 12 we will have how many degree 60 degree. Okay this is the answer. Like this only we will do the questions. Okay then we will have the third part of this question. See third part of this question. Okay in third part what happens, one shoe is on 12 and another shoe is on 5. Okay we have to find the angle. One needle is on 12 and another needle is on 5. We have to find the angle. So from 12 to 5 the total minute first we will find. So what will happen, 5, this is 5 minutes. Okay another 5 minutes. Okay so we will add 5. Okay then another 5 minutes we will have, so plus 5, then another 5 minutes we will have. Okay so another plus 5 and another 5 minutes we will have. Okay so again we will plus 5. So total how many, 25 minutes. 5 5 10 15 20 25 minutes total. From 12 to 5 how many minutes we will have, 25 minutes. And in 1 hour how many minutes we will have, 60 minutes. एक घंटे में 60 मिनट होते हैं हम लोग जानते हैं. So the angle will be how much, 25 minutes upon total minute that is 60. Okay into a complete degree कितने का, 360 का. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 0 से 0 कैंसिल आउट, 6 1 जा 6, 6 6 जा 36 and 25 into 6 is how much, 150 degree. Yeah 150 degree is the answer. So like this only we will find the angle in the clock. Okay like this only we will find the angle in the clock. Now next we have to study about the types of angles. Okay in this types of angle, so first one is acute angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle means what, less than 90 degree angle. Okay so this is the acute angle, 30 degree. 90 डिग्री से कम होने चाहिए, 90 डिग्री से कम वाला एंगल एक्यूट एंगल. देन राइट एंगल, राइट एंगल इज ऑफ एग्जैक्ट 90 डिग्री, इट इज ऑफ एग्जैक्ट 90 डिग्री. ओके एग्जैक्ट 90 डिग्री इज द राइट एंगल. अंडरस्टैंड. देन थर्ड वी हैव, थर्ड इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल इज व्हाट, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree एंगल. 90 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और 180 से छोटा, तो क्या हो जाएगा, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. लाइक दिस, दिस इज 130 डिग्री, 90 से बड़ा है और 180 से छोटा, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. देन वी विल हैव स्ट्रेट एंगल. स्ट्रेट एंगल, स्ट्रेट एंगल इज ऑफ हाउ मच, एग्जैक्ट 180 डिग्री. स्ट्रेट एंगल क्या है, एक सीधी लाइन. स्ट्रेट एंगल मतलब एक सीधी लाइन. सीधी लाइन पे क्या होता है, जो एंगल होता है वो कितना होता है, 180 डिग्री का. दिस इज द स्ट्रेट एंगल. ओके इट इज ऑफ 180 डिग्री. ओके देन वी हैव टू स्टडी फ्यू मोर एंगल्स. ओके फ्यू मोर एंगल्स, दैट इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. Reflex angle. In reflex angle what, more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are reflex angle. Suppose this is the reflex angle 240 degree. So this is the reflex angle, more than 180 but less than 360 degree is the reflex angle. Then we will have a complete degree, complete angle. Okay complete angle, complete angle is of how much? Exact 360 degree. Okay, which is, we all know that circle. This is of how much? 360 degree angle. Okay, so these are the angles which we have to study, that you all already known, you have studied before in your previous classes. Now here again I am explaining you. First one is acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. 90 से छोटा होना चाहिए, 90 भी नहीं हो सकता, 90 से छोटा acute angle. If the angle is exact of 90 degree, then it is a right angle. If it is exact 90 degree, then right angle. Then if the angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degree, then we will say that the angle are obtuse angle triangle, obtuse angle only. Okay, obtuse angle. Okay, क्या है? 90 से बड़ा और 180 से छोटा तो obtuse angle. If the angle is exact 180 degree, अगर exact 180 degree है तो इसका मतलब वो क्या है? एक सीधी लाइन है. It is a straight line. So that is why it is known as straight angle. Okay, 180 degree straight angle. Then reflex angle. What is reflex angle? That if the angle is more than 180 but less than 360, then the angle is reflex angle triangle. Okay, and complete angle, we all know that a circle is a complete angle, complete degree, that is 360 degree. Okay, so this much only we have to study in exercise 11.2. Now you all do questions from the exercise. Okay, and if any problem you can ask me in the comment box, and also you can contact me. Okay, so complete exercise 11.2. Rest of the exercise I will discuss in the another video. Thank you.